It's a vlog day. We're out. It's lovely weather. We're taking photos. We're at the fleet. You can sort of see the scenery. Cameras are set up. We're ready to go. It's going to be fun. So, Chloe set up her camera. She's got the 60D with the 50mm lens on it. I don't know what lens I'm going to use yet to take some photos. Might steal the 50 after she's done, but at the moment, I'm on camera duty. So, hopefully she can get some nice shots. Not really got a plan, but hey ho. That's good. First shot of the day. Trying to get some shots of these boats. I don't really know if you can get a good shot, but she's got the 50 on. She's trying. She might swap lenses because she's usually used to using these is it 70 to, what is it?
No, it's, I want to say 55 to 200.
55 to 200 telephoto lens, so we'll see. Do have to say the water is looking mighty fine today. It's so it's ripply, but it's nice and calm. I like it. Okay, so it might be a wrap for the 50 because this isn't the best place for it. So yeah, we might switch over to the telephoto lens, get some nice shots with that. I'll probably get some photos on my camera because that's what we're actually out here today to do, to test the photo quality on this camera. So yeah, we'll probably wrap up with a 50 and try and get some telephoto 70 to whatever it is, 50 to, I don't know what it is. We'll find out when we put it on. This place may look nice, but the floor is, whoa, not nice. Ducks. Alright, it's now my turn to try and take some photos. Obviously I can't film at the same time, so we're going to test it out. I'll probably use the 50 because I do like the look of a 50. And yeah, we'll see how it goes, and then I'll show you the photos when they've been taken. So this is the lens. It was 55 to 250, which is your preferred lens. So she'll be using that one. We're back home now, and as you can see, I have loaded some of the pictures that I took today into Lightroom, and we're sort of just gonna see how they came out. Now we'll start obviously with this first one. Now my editing process of photos is fairly simple. I usually just start with a preset and then sort of edit that preset to how I like. Sometimes I actually pick a preset and it turns out to be good straight away, so I just go with that. I know it's kind of cheating and not really the best, but if it works for the photo, it works for the photo and I'll keep it. Now there is actually here, if I go to my presets, and it's called the best preset ever. It's not the best preset ever, it's a preset that I made myself for one photo, and it turned out that actually it worked for a few other photos as well, so I called it the best preset ever. Unfortunately, it doesn't really work for this one, so that's not great. However, in this photo, I kind of want to go for like a darker, sort of more greeny, like seaside vibe. I don't really know how to explain it. So if we look through some of these presets here, we shall see if any of them fit what I want. Okay, so this one here is sort of more in the direction of what I wanted to go for. As you can see, we have the before and the after. I will do a few little adjustments to it just to make it a little bit better, but it's a slight adjustment, but it sort of makes it look a bit better. So let's see if we can do any more little bits to that and see if we can make it any better. Okay, so I sort of messed around with it a little bit. I haven't done too much. It's obviously not the greatest photo ever, so I guess that's sort of what we'll go for. So that is a little insight into how I edit my photos. I'm not at all going to claim that I'm the best photo editor in the world. However, do you know what? I liked it. I thought it looked good. Some people may disagree. They may think it doesn't look great, but that's the thing about photography. There's no wrong or right answer. Now that brings us to the end of the video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're new around here. You can follow me on Instagram as well, and I shall see you in the next one. Adios.
Saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I